Hi all, today we're going to install bicycle saddle. This is all the item that require: Allen key set, bike pole, and the saddle, of course. First, take up the saddle at the railing. This will attach to the bike pole by using the Allen key. We need to take the Allen key first. Okay, open it up. I think, if not mistaken, we can use number 4. Let's see which one fits. Okay, alright, take the Allen key number 4 and test it out. Alright, it fits. Okay, so we can use Allen key number 4 for this action. Okay, to start with, take the Allen key aside. This will be the base of the pole. Okay, just check if everything is in order. Put the base, and then try to see whether it can hold or not. Okay, let's put it there. Take the saddle to see how you're going to put it. Okay, just put the base at the pole, so it will act something like a holder when you put the saddle in. Okay, so make sure you can align it accordingly. Okay, and then take the saddle, put it like this. It's a bit tricky at times. You need to try it a couple of times. Okay, don't worry, it is basically pretty normal. So this is the hook that you will attach when you screw it down to the base. Okay, so what you can do, try to mount it first, something like this. Okay, then just put the base, the pole, try to align the hook. Okay, try it once, twice. If it's okay, just slowly slide it in. Okay, you can slide, and then you try to wiggle a bit, okay, to ensure that it is in place. Make sure both are in before you try tighten the screw, because else it will be difficult to tighten. Okay, so both is already in. Now you need to do is that hold it tight. Try to screw it up to tight one area. Okay, just use your hand first. You can see this is moving. Just tighten it up until it gets tightened. Okay, make sure you hold accordingly, else it might take out or might loose. Okay, so you can see now you need to use the Allen key to tighten even further. So this is how you mount it. Okay, however, you need to check whether is it aligned accordingly. Then you can do all this minor adjustment. Okay, let's continue to tighten it up and see whether it holds. Okay, now it holds. However, the angle I think is pretty steep, so you need to do certain adjustment to ensure that the angle is when you put in the folding bike is aligned accordingly. Else will be not comfortable for you to sit in. So you need to just untighten it, okay, to ensure that it can move. As you can see, the base will be able to move a little bit. Okay, just do this process until you'll be able to find a suitable angle. Okay. Oops. Okay, so I already lose it, and it's the base is taken out. So you need to realign back to ensure that you'll be able to put the saddle back in. Just repeat the same process. Alright, just be patient, this is normal. Yay! Okay, now everything is in order. I already do the minor adjustment. I think the saddle feels solid. You can just tweak it a little bit, maybe, to ensure that you have the right sitting position for your saddle. Okay. However, please make sure that you test it out on the bike itself to ensure that you'll be able to get the right setting for you to able to have a good saddle to sit on, so you'll be able to minimize any discomfort when you cycle the bike. So just do minor tweaking, just tighten and untighten each side until you get the desired sitting position. Okay, I think that's all. We're completed. Please like, subscribe, and do comment if you want to see more videos on how to that I can produce. Alright, everything is in order. Thank you so much for spending your time. Please do like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. I'll be doing more videos on other product or content. Stay tuned, take care, and stay safe, guys.